What is up, YouTube? Alright, so this is gonna be the Capital Beltway 495. We are entering into Maryland from Virginia. We'll be crossing the American Legion Memorial Bridge, and I just want to show you all how Tesla's autopilot full self-driving software works for off-ramps and getting on the highway. So yeah, check this out. Alright, so here we are on the bridge. As soon as you cross the bridge, that's the Potomac River right under us, then you're officially in Maryland. So nice clear day this morning. Wow, look at that, 42 degrees. Like yesterday was like 68 degrees, so pretty big drop in temperature. I got a freeze warning last night too. I woke up to in the area in Northern Virginia. We tend to get these temperature swings like 20-30 degrees in one day. Terrible. This is what makes people sick. So I wish we were able to ease into it a little bit, but hey, if you've been watching my videos, for the past couple weeks, I've been saying, oh yeah, the temperature is about to drop and let's enjoy this nice weather, because like 3 days ago it was like 72 degrees. So yeah. All right, so I'm chit-chatting a little bit in the right lane here, and I see everyone's passing me. So what I'm gonna do is speed up just by using the scroll wheel here. Go up to go faster, go down to go slower. But basically what you're doing there is you're setting your max speed, saying I won't let the car travel faster than 65. And at that point it'll maintain its distance for the person in front of you, and it won't go faster than 65. But yeah, if you purchase enhanced autopilot, your car should operate like this. Just to show you like some of the features that you get with enhanced autopilot is basically highway. Your car operates like butter on the highway is basically what it does. Pretty much all functions as far as getting on and off the highway, switching lanes, maintaining distance, speeding up, slowing down, following the road, again, taking exits. Those are all going to be pretty much down. Like that's something Tesla's had down for a couple years, like, and you can imagine since they've released it, it has only improved, and it's constantly improving. So yeah, I don't know if you saw like some of my videos on the roundabout a couple weeks back, and how the car was
keep left to take exit 38 onto Interstate 270 spur.
It was being really erratic and unsafe by like jerking the wheel, trying to make a left right before the roundabout started. I basically had to drive it myself, and yeah, with the new update, it took over and it fixed that problem in a matter of 3 weeks. So I'm sure they fixed a lot of other roundabouts throughout the country too with that same update. So yeah, props to the Tesla autopilot team, man. Those are some hardworking people. So yeah, comment below if you are waiting to be added to the beta program. I was wondering if Tesla's added anyone since the 10.69 update, because I know that they had mentioned a little bit about a wide release. But yeah, comment below if you're aware of that, or if you know someone who just was added, I guess, in September of this year. Yeah, I would like to know, because I'm at a point where I feel like beta needs to be expanded to like double the people. I think we're ready, for sure. We'll see with this next update if he hadn't already done it, but 10.69.3, I think that should really be a wide release. Yeah, so hopefully Tesla hears this and pushes it out so more people can be added to beta, because yeah, it is pretty spectacular. I mean, look how far up you can see cars. It's amazing. Like, there's the truck, and you can even see the car in front of the truck. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I want to thank everyone again for watching this video. Hit that like button if you enjoyed it. This was $495 and $270, Virginia, Maryland, Capital Beltway, all on Tesla's autopilot software. I did not drive for a second in this video. The car has been in control the entire time. So just want to show you some of the progress that FSD and Tesla has made. Hit that like button if you enjoy. Definitely subscribe for more of this content. Nice, got a Volkswagen ID4 over there. Pretty cool seeing more electric cars on the road. So yeah, subscribe for more content, awesome shorts, and really cool Tesla videos I'm going to be posting in 4K for you guys. So thanks again, and have a wonderful day.